We can hit them on the way home. They're in Missouri, ain't they? I think the rattlesnake stuff might have been in Missouri. If not, it's in Oklahoma here. What is this? Well, that's surveying equipment, so it's probably a mine cart of some kind. Huh. I wanted to find this bridge up here. East of Yukon. I don't know where that's at. Do you? You remember a Yukon anywhere? Here's some cool stuff. I'd still like to have that tire changer. That thing looks like it works pretty good. An old standard oil gas pump. Man, gas pumps have had some height to them back then. Sinclair gas station sign. Got this old car. That's pretty cool right there. Got a moonshine jug, some traveling stuff, spare tire. I guess there's some cornflakes. I guess this is how they camped back then, huh? So, got some meters. Some more pictures. Look like, not sure, look like Sergeant Stripes maybe. Oh, I like this old truck. I drive that daily. Got a Route 66 hill truck here. Got a Route 66 diner. Looks like a small diner. This is outside the museum. I'm sure it's not a open diner, but oh well. '66 Bar and Grill. I don't think we need to stop at a bar. We won't make it home. We are in Clinton, Oklahoma again. We are in Clinton, Oklahoma again at the Route 66 Museum. Anybody wants to stop it here, going through Clinton, Oklahoma on Route 66. Pretty nice little museum here. Looks like they got a dedication to Boxcar Willie over here. Will Rogers. Yeah, my brothers once had Boxcar Willie.